Matron, take them away.
Okay guys, CPI today, and a lot of the guys want to see it traded and one thing and another. The news is just coming in now, so let's fire that across. Now what we can see is a massive surge to the upside. Now often in a situation like this, there is kind of a move to the wrong way before it goes the right way. And what we can see on this here is a huge push up, and now it's screaming. Where's it screaming to? Well, it's going to look for a point of attraction. So I'm going to move this out slightly, get that there. Now earlier on when I was trading this, just to show you how to do 10 pips, it's talking about if this is going to push up, it's going to push up to here. And sure enough, it's having a good go at it. However, how much steam has it got left in it? Can it hold on to said move? Well, highly unlikely. So what we're going to do is we're going to slam it back down into 5 minutes. Get rid of all of these areas. Now it's got about a minute left of the first minute candle. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put on a fib because I want to see how it stands in the grand scheme of things. Now it's screamed down, come through, gone back up. It looks like it's losing pace. So what I'm going to do is kind of pay a very close attention to this. And when it breaks this level, I'm going to slam an order in. Now I'll do it quick because I think it's going to be a quick retracement. So I'll put one lot in so they can go boom and just get it. Okay. So I'm going to drop that order in under here. Now I want it near enough by that 23. Oh, just push that over slightly. I want this down into about here, about this mark. Okay, there it is, it's in. All right, now this is a bit of a concern, but because of the volatility I'm not too worried about it, but I am looking at where it's going to stall out, and that stall is roughly around here. So I'm just going to let it play out. Okay. Is it? Could even... How far would that come down? Right, okay. Might even get down as far as here. Okay. So that's the game plan. Now let me just kind of watch this because I'm hoping it'll be done and dusted relatively quickly. Has the move been explosive? It's not as bad as I thought it might be. It's screamed up, but it hasn't really done anything. Now, in a situation like this, if I pull this back, okay, you can kind of see what's going on here. That is a sustained move. Now if it's going to retrace on itself altogether, and I'll pull this right the way back, that puts us down here somewhere. Okay, but there's quite a bit of work to do. Now I want to be relatively quick, which is kind of why I'm reasonably targeting. Okay, now what else can we see? Well, let's just push this out slightly. All right. We have a Miranda. It's come up to the level, tried, it's failing, pushing back down. from 2 solid days moving up into a stall point. Now the question is, was that going to continue up to here, or was it going to move backwards on itself? But that's daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. Well, the 4 hour, yeah, it's showing signs up, but everything is kind of stretched on it. So in the short term, you've got an opportunity to use this to slam back on itself, which it is. And then if I drop it back to 5 minutes, there's the collapse coming in, just like so. And then all I have to do is capitalize on it. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to capitalize on this move. And when that hits 200 quid, I mean, just drop that down there. I can't lose any money now. All right, so I've got money locked in. Oh, thanks, my love. I've got money locked in. Got touching on to 200 quid. There's 240, so I'm going to take off 8 quid. Get that back to there. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to flick this across. I'm going to move that into a trailing stop, and I'm just going to go 2010, just like so. Move this right the way down here. That's it. I'm done. All I need to do now is just watch this ratchet its way down and make some money from the pulses, because that's just dropped down somewhat. There's another 23 quid, so that's way more than the £200 I look for. And just let it collapse. So I'll just leave it. We'll see how long it takes it to play out. It shouldn't take too long. Happy days. Happy days. Okay, boys and girls, job done. It's now 13:42, which you kind of should see under here somewhere. We started this at 13:35, so it's 7 minutes trade, and there you go. I'm quite happy with that. I can live with that, you know. And that's it. So 7 minutes in a day's wages. Is that not a good job? Would you be happy with that?
Yeah.
Well, so he does get a day's wage and doesn't work 7 minutes.
That's not very nice.
It's very true, though.
I've just made you coffee.
You've made me coffee. How long did it take to boil the kettle?
At least 5 minutes.
5 minutes, there you go. It's got a day's work, pay for 5 minutes. This is unreal. Yeah. She used to work really hard when she had her own business and one thing and another. And now she's become a lady of leisure. She's taken it to the 9th degree. Bloody bin.
That bin, I wish you'd shut up about it.
Bloody bin. Right, watch the other video I did today and you'll understand what that statement means. Bloody bin. Fucking sick. Right, that was CPI. And sermon according to Scruff. Basically, trade what you see, not what you think. That is the best advice I can possibly give you. That's it. In this instance, everything was shown at using levels as key points of attraction, which it has done. And it uses those levels as key stalls. If I just flick this back, that was the key stall point, shot up. If it wasn't going any higher, in other words, it's not coming here, it has to come down. If it's breaking this level, which I saw, it had to come back to this one. And then anything better, well, fantastic. That's trading. You know, get in, get out, get paid. I'm paid, I'm done. And that's it, guys. So invest well and keep your trades safe. Do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.